The chickens are coming home to roost.
Okay, so I got myself a flat tire, and I finally found this tiny little stud. I think it's a staple or something, a hairpin that's wedged in there. So I got to pull it out and plug it. What I did was I got myself one of these plug kits at Walmart. These plug kits work really well, and I'm going to salvage this tire because, man, this tire is like pretty much new. Okay, I put rubber cement on the rubber string, the black string, or whatever, it's the plug. The rubber cement is supposed to, I guess, help vulcanize the rubber and plug the hole. So getting ready to do it right now. That's it. So what you got to do is you got to trim this off, otherwise it'll pull out. You have to just trim it off. Of course, got my trusty knife here. So that's it. I just got to clean this up and it's good to go.